The other day, I do an interview with a veteran artist named Ninja Dallas. Yeah, man, them man have sang older like me from 1987. Yeah, man, me talk about a veteran artist, a young artist, Ninja Dallas. So let's look up for the interview, no? Yeah, man, subscribe to the channel, like the other video, them. Yeah, man, stay tuned.
You don't know it's D-Shade representing for 876Muzik. And we have on the platform to the people, singer, Ninja Dallas. Yes, man. Big up yourself in a singer, Ninja Dallas.
Greetings, all Jamaica and the world, man.
Yes,
Ninja
man.
Dallas,
Yes,
you know?
man. Yes,
Vibe
man.
master from them time till now, you know?
Good to have the hype on the platform today, man. You see
Yeah,
me?
man, respect and bless, man.
Yes, man.
Yes,
Oneness.
time, you know?
So really and truly, how you get that name, Ninja Dallas?
Well, I used to use the name Mr. Dallas before.
Mr. Dallas.
And Raphael Dallas, which was my right name.
Raphael.
But then we link up with Ninja Man now.
Irie.
In the Grand Spin area. When a son named Duke of Earl. That was an Huggins, Lady Huggins. I don't know if anybody know Lady Huggins.
Yeah, but big they would see him with.
Yeah. So we link up on a son named Duke of Earl and Ninja Man, him named Double Ugly.
Yeah.
At the time.
Yeah,
so me and him on the same sound, him change his name from Double Ugly to Ninja Man. And I said, what the name is sound terrible, you know?
Yeah.
So I leave Mr. Dallas now and put a Ninja Dallas.
Yes.
So that's how I originate the name. I chose Ninja Man. I'm the second ninja in Jamaica.
Alright.
After Ninja Man. Yeah, man.
Yes. So you're a groundation artist. You come from afar. Your journey long. And you're still up on the journey.
Very far, brother. From 1984, my record.
Yes.
Until today.
Until today.
Yeah, man. So how much years that?
Before
you're born.
Before my born. You can remember one of the first songs them where you come up with and the crowd receive it well and you get good response from them?
Well, most of the songs them, you know, that I do, I get good response.
Yes, but what I mean, like the one, the one we highlight you have to say, boy, people really like it, you know.
Well, I have a song named Ninja Dallas. Dallas, no for them I say them wild, but I'm a ninja. You know, Mr. Dallas come for run bout ya. The DB sing and go hold your corner. Can't you see Mr. Dallas come for take over? It name Ninja Dallas. Bad Dallas. You know?
Cooler man. Man as the Ninja Dallas. I saw it come on, you see me? Yeah, me have to ask a little bit about the groundation, how far you come from, you know. You see me, we can't just run up in it and say, yo, so why new song? We can ask you that too, man, but here we go on trajectory, you see me?
Yes, sir.
You ever collaborate with another artist, like you and an artist, do a song together?
Well, the first artist that me and him do a song together is Snake Man.
Snake Man.
Yeah, his name Gaddy now.
See,
he was Snake Man before.
Yeah.
We did a song named Release Your Love.
Release Your Love. Big up Snake Man, you see
like
me?
I said, please release me, let me go. Cause I don't love you anymore. To waste my life would be a sin. Release me and let me love again. And this name goes, release your love, release your love, release your love. A little girl, me come release your love.
Yes, man.
Name Gaddy now.
Yeah. Which production that was that? You can remember?
Yeah, man, my production.
Your production.
I do production for myself, you know.
So
they will producers.
Alright, they with the production name, so people can get them name. I mean, familiarize with it.
Well, Tropical Record is my label now.
Tropical Record.
Yeah. Dynamics is at Bell Road. Then was at Bell Road. When you go 3 miles and go down, that's where Dynamics was. And Tough Gang was on the other side.
Okay.
You see me? Yeah, all of them places I'm go work. Press record and all kind of things.
Cool.
Buy songs.
So tell me a couple of the other production, different from your production, who you work with. But hold on, it not go too smooth. Me ask you what the name of your production.
Tropical Record.
Tropical Record. Yeah. Alright. So Tropical Records are when name the Ninja Dallas.
Yeah, man.
Current when name the platform.
Yeah,
but
from that time till now.
But at the same time, what other platform or other people you work with? I just say you got other studios. Yeah. So what other production you work with?
Well, I work with King Jammies and all them people, you know.
Yeah. See,
Bunny Wheeler, Salamanic.
Mhm.
You see me? We work with Cy and Robbie down at Channel 1.
I read.
You know if people know Channel 1, Maxfield Avenue.
The original
See
spot
me?
that man.
Yeah, man, the original place, man. That is the first place I do a dub plate. That's how name Pisces in Lucy and over. A man named Jimmy, anyway, they know big him up.
Straight. Big
You
up
know,
Jimmy.
me tell you or not, I hear me know
Yeah,
him.
man, that people them talk to you.
Yeah, man, Jimmy
Right?
from a gas
Yourself.
station down
That
there.
is it. You see it? Straight.
Yeah,
Like
man,
drum.
dub plate that me do.
Cooler man.
Island in the Stream,
Mm-hmm.
on the answer ready. You know that song?
Uh-huh.
Baby, since I met you, there was peace on earth. I set out to get you with a fine tooth comb. I was soft inside. We got something going on. Yeah, man.
Yes, I. Your voice powerful enough.
They will give praises to the Almighty. I know my voice, you know, the
The Almighty
Creator.
voice.
Yeah, man, the Creator.
Your
Everything we
voice
do.
powerful, man. And you know to control each part of your pitch then.
I do more than 100 tracks, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. King James, Bunny Wheeler, Junior Reid,
Mm-hmm.
Salamanic, King Culture from Canada,
Yeah.
Willie Hutch from Spanish Town, David Lee, Bunny Lee's son.
See there?
All of them, what if I track me do, man? More than 100 tracks.
So you ever do
I'm going to do something for myself, too.
you ever do a song like a music video?
Yeah, I did a song name. The song name again. Think Twice now. Me and King Culture.
So if you
And
go
a
go
girl
on the
from
social
Canada
media,
named
it's supposed
Shaki
to be a
Ali.
fine.
Yeah, man.
Yes.
Think Twice.
Think twice, and as I said, the two artists will collaborate with you.
Father Culture and Shaki Ali from Canada.
Alongside
Mm.
Ninja Dallas.
And King Culture. Father Culture.
Yes. So
Father,
right now you still keep the thing propelling and going. Cause
Yeah, man.
since recently the I met you and the music sound powerful and you know it sound like you continually keep the thing going and building.
Yeah, because I get the inspiration from the Creator, you know.
Yeah.
So my inspiration like the breeze will blow, or the rain will fall, or the sun will shine.
Where you did albums before. So you still work for more album right now?
Well, I suppose one album I'm doing now.
Mm-hmm.
The King Culture from Canada, I'm doing 24 tracks.
See?
So I don't know how many albums I make out of that. If I never the internet,
You
you
would
would link
realize.
them up back in like Jamaica
Yeah.
move.
Jesus.
So when them go to Canada, you like Jamaica move, you know.
Didn't remember Ninja Dallas.
No.
Oh gosh, man.
We write
I
the
like
song
them
them,
thing there, you know.
people will write them name for my song, so them write it.
Yeah, so hold on then.
Just to
Ninja
get me
Dallas.
publishing and
Hold
all
on
those
then.
things.
Tell me a little bit more about that now. The music industry. We all know it rotten in all that good, you see me?
True, sir.
But we try our best to find some pureness to create some real art. You see me? Whether it be visually, audio, you listen to it, you see me?
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
And come up with some instruments, you know, some sounds where really unique. But back in the day, come like people do your bad way, them mislead other people with their song them and tell people say oh them write it.
Yeah, man, all kind of thing I go on. Man, I'll put on my name for my song.
Yeah.
So for them.
No man, that not sound good.
And all kind of, what if a mischief go on at the business? You know?
Yeah. But,
Yeah, man.
but I'm sure you just stay positive
But if
and
you
move
know
on.
people don't know about the music business,
Yeah.
then they really realize what's going on.
You have to stay strong, you know. You have to strong, you know.
Yeah, man,
Oh,
we
man,
have to,
don't
man.
carry
You
up,
have to
man.
stay firm, man.
Mm-hmm.
Since them I run down everything,
Yeah, make
everything them I run down, you know, me not forget nothing. My youth, them not have nothing.
No.
Right?
So what the newest music or song you have in the pipeline where you think that one day you go show, that one day you go make 876Muzik, do a little music video for that one day the people them to do it song.
But right now, what they out of Stone Hill, I burn a spliff, you know.
Yeah.
And a youth a pass and say, Rasta, you stink up the place, sir. I'm say, yes, you what I mean, I'm just write a song named Stink Up the City.
Yeah.
We come to stink up the city. May I grade a stink up the town. Me burn it to the nitty gritty with about 20 pounds. May I grade a stink up the city. May I grade a stink up the town. Me burn it to the nitty gritty with about 20 pounds. See, ganja aroma is in the air. You can smell it from anywhere, even if I'm standing in the square. So you know that I really don't care. Now the people them a gather around. Babylon want come lock her down. Officer me not cause no disturbance. Give her a chance, make me make a chance, make me stink up the city.
Yeah.
Make up me stink up the town.
Yeah. This stuff, man. Good music, you know? Straight up. I like that one day, you know? And people I hope I like that one day, you see me? Yeah, man, we there go and chill out a while, a little vibe, parring, talking about some history, stuff where an artist would have go through, you see me? Me and Ninja Dollars there, you don't know it's D-Shade, and we're representing for 876Muzik. Alright, here we are going on. Youths are come up and youths are listen music, you see me? All type of music that the people listening, but most of them will gravitate to the other music. Most of the time when my parents used to tell me about, say, you go and listen to the music that make you straight. For example, the gunman music, the bombard, skin out music, you see me? So right now, a Rasta and Rasta them on the platform. You see me? So that's why I ask the question like that. What kind of inspiration are good words that you can use them right now to say, you see me? For example, if I'm on a DJ, a man can try singing. You see me?
Yeah.
Check out some different type of genre instrumental. You see me? So basically, you know, them not lower themselves to try find song. Them just lower themselves to find gunman song alone. And
A girl song or whatever.
Girl song, hip song. You see me? You can write good, genuine, authentic music. You see me? Whether them be woman or man. Just you being a musician, tell people them, man.
Yeah, well, you can get inspiration from the creator, you know.
Mm-hmm.
You see, me get melodies, you get lyrics and all kind of thing.
Right.
You know? So you have to deal with it. You don't have to look on one side of the music.
No, because that's what I have to say when I say, because it seems like the youths them nowadays, them just look on the music at one side. Yo, me gonna get rich quick. Me must get rich quick. You see, if I sing them type of song there, me gonna win.
Right, so them tune they go bust them say. You say them tune they go.
Don't wanna make some groundation
good song can bust the same.
Alright.
Good inspirational
song. For
song.
example, you was a big man and me there a reason with it. I'm sure you have song where all like me. Me a 37.
Yeah.
You have song where all like me. 37-year-old song.
Still a one.
Yes, man. A man has a respect, man. You see me? So, you know nobody and studio and a couple of the people and look up to Ninja Dollars time and say, yeah, man, big up yourself, man. Show them some love, man, and big them up back right now.
Yeah, man, I'm a Virgin Marvin, man. The studio, man. Down at Cargill Avenue, I'm a Virgin them, man.
Straight up.
Good engineer, you know.
Mm-hmm.
I'm the most of my recording with dub plate and things like that.
Cool, man.
I respect them, man. Because I'm not really going much through there now.
Yeah.
I'm have to do my little swing.
You have to big up to a couple of people.
Big up my daughter, them and
Alright, you see me? Keep them
Sarah and Winnie, my
keep it
grandchildren, them.
Alright.
Yeah, man. I have a son named Raphael, like me.
Alright.
My grandkids too.
Them people have to get big up, man.
Yeah, man. I have to give thanks for everything.
But
Remember
the
saying
reason why
no?
we still there, yeah, we still can do it.
Yeah, my mother and father bring me here.
Mm-hmm.
So they bring someone else to continue the journey.
Right.
You see me?
Left on the journey and show and say, you know?
And them know to bring some other people,
Yeah.
continue the journey.
So in the future, when I go watch this and say, yo, Yes, the grandfather there, Ninja Dallas, I talk to
Yeah,
876Muzik.
They give thanks,
Yes, man,
Yeah,
a blessings like all the time. Yeah, man,
You
people,
come
we're
in and
there.
really do much interview,
Mm-hmm.
But, see me? But you say me have to do a thing
Represent.
for you, cause,
Straight.
That's the thing going on. Promotion.
Right.
But the upliftment.
Mm-hmm. And
You see me?
remember, people, the music name stink up the place. Look out
Yeah,
for
man,
one video
stink
for
up the
that.
city.
Look out for that stink
We come
up
to
the
stink
city.
up the town.
Yes,
Where
man.
I grade. And I talk about
By
nothing
Ninja
else.
Dallas. Yeah, man, singer. Bless up yourself and honors and manners.
Yeah,
You see
man,
me?
give thanks for everything, man.
All
Give thanks
right.
for the interview and everything, and I appreciate that,
Yes, man.
Yeah, man.
With about 20 pounds.
Up.
Hey,
Yeah,
I
man.
get my grades.
Liberal thing,
See there?